Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox if it says connection error. First, always confirm your internet connection is working perfectly. A quick restart of your Roblox application and then your entire computer can often resolve many temporary glitches. You should also quickly check if Roblox servers are currently experiencing any outages. Many resources online provide this information. These initial steps are simple, yet surprisingly effective for many players. If the problem persists, let's look at your network settings. Try power cycling your internet router and modem, unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus software might also help, as these can sometimes block Roblox. Consider changing your DNS server to a public option, such as Google's 8.8.8.8, which can improve connection reliability. These adjustments often clear up stubborn network blockages. Sometimes the issue lies within the Roblox client itself. A full uninstall and then reinstall of the Roblox application often fixes corrupted files or outdated components. Additionally, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve web-related login or launching problems. Always ensure your network and graphics drivers are updated to their latest versions. Outdated drivers can cause unexpected connection issues and overall performance problems. These steps ensure your Roblox installation is fresh and optimized. If you've tried all these steps and still encounter connection errors, it might be time to reach out for direct assistance. Contacting Roblox support is your next best option, providing them with as much detail as possible. Also, try connecting to Roblox from a different device or network, like a mobile hotspot, to isolate the problem. Finally, ensure your operating system has all its latest updates installed, as these often include critical network improvements. Persistence is key to getting back to your games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.